In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Houzz reviews on your Wix site, a handy skill for showcasing your business reputation directly on your website. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along. Begin by logging into your Houzz Pro account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up at Houzz's website. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Add Houzz badge or widget page. This is where you'll find all the widgets and badges that Houzz offers to its users. These tools are important as they help to seamlessly integrate your Houzz reviews onto other platforms, like your Wix site, enhancing customer trust and engagement. Next, choose the reviews widget that not only displays your star rating, but also links directly to your Houzz profile. This widget is an excellent way to showcase the great feedback you've received and direct potential clients to your full Houzz listing. Once you've selected the appropriate widget, you'll be presented with an embed code. Select this code. You can do this by highlighting it with your mouse and then copy it to your clipboard. With your embed code in hand, head over to your Wix editor. If you're not logged into Wix, go ahead and do that now. Once inside your editor, navigate to the page where you want the Houzz reviews to appear. This could be your homepage, a dedicated testimonial page, or anywhere you think potential